Imagine waking up inside a dream, active and aware, while the world around you continues to run. You move through the landscape with total agency, taking the wheel of your own subconscious. Every night, the human brain generates complete, three-dimensional worlds from nothing. It renders detailed landscapes, populates them with distinct characters, and writes complex storylines, all simultaneously, in real time. During a standard dream, however, your waking consciousness is completely offline. You are left at the mercy of whatever internal programming your mind decides to run. This chart tracks typical brainwave frequencies throughout the night. We see a steep drop into deep sleep, followed by these erratic spikes. That is REM sleep, rapid eye movement, the specific phase where your mind's simulation engine boots up. Because the logic centers remain inactive during these spikes, you spend 1/3 of your life powerless inside these self-generated environments. We move through these worlds as unwitting passengers, drifting through a reality we didn't choose, until we learn how to break the rules. Lucid dreaming occurs at the exact moment your consciousness boots up, while the dream simulation is still running. This schematic of the brain shows the shift. While the rest of the brain remains in a sleep state, the logic centers in the prefrontal cortex suddenly reactivate. Your logic center scans the environment and identifies a rendering error, perhaps a clock ticking backward or a physics impossibility. By performing a reality check, your conscious mind confirms the environment is an illusion. Passing that check triggers an immediate psychological transition. You are no longer observing the dream, you are an active agent within it. This is a system hack, an exploitable glitch where the brain catches itself running its own simulation. The first phase of control involves overriding physical laws. You can defy gravity simply by expecting to fly, ascending toward the horizon at will. The second phase moves to real-time environmental manipulation. You can alter the climate or the architecture of the world, morphing a modern city street into a lush, ancient forest. Experienced dreamers can eventually conjure specific objects or spawn entirely new, impossible universes purely from thought. This state of mind is effectively an omnipotent creator operating inside a zero-latency virtual reality engine. Once lucidity is established, the only remaining limitation is the boundary of your own imagination. However, the subconscious mind often resists this intrusion. It attempts to reset the normal dream parameters and reclaim control. If you lose focus, the environment destabilizes. The world around you may glitch, warp, or collapse into a distorted void as the simulation breaks down. This can lead to a lucid nightmare. You remain fully self-aware and awake inside the dream, but you are stripped of your power to influence the world. Playing God in your own mind is inherently unstable, carrying the risk that your subconscious will violently revoke your access. This raises a difficult question. How can the conscious mind truly differentiate a high-fidelity dream from waking reality? During REM sleep, the brain's primary objective is absolute deception, engineering an illusion indistinguishable from your daily life. The dream cycle is physically fleeting, but in the moment of experience, it holds the weight of an absolute psychological truth. Our understanding of the mind's world-building capabilities is still in its infancy. Reality is whatever the brain is currently processing. Subscribe to explore more of the hidden powers within the human mind.